Je suis l'English nut. That's French for I am the English nut. So why am I speaking French? Well, English speakers sometimes use French words because they think it makes them sound sophisticated. But you've got to get the pronunciation right. For example, you might say that this painting has a certain je ne sais quoi.
Je ne sais quoi?
Je ne sais quoi. In French, J-E is pronounced je, N-E is pronounced ne, S-A-I-S is say with the last S silent, and Q-U-O-I is quoi. Je ne sais quoi, it means I don't know what.
I don't know what's so great about that je ne sais quoi.
You won't get it. It's too avant-garde.
Avant-garde?
Avant-garde. In French, the last letter in most words is silent. In this case, the T and the E.
I like in French.
Last letters are silent in French, not English.
Cool. Are you wearing haute couture? Must say you're looking very hot in that coat.
What do you mean, hot?
That thick coat in Indian weather, really hot couture.
Haute couture. Haute means high and couture literally means sewing. Haute couture means high fashion, and the H in haute is silent as well. And I think that I look very sophisticated when I wear haute couture. Don't you think so?
Yeah, got it. I fashion. Have you got any more hot tips for me?
Why are you speaking like that again? H is silent only in French.
French is very hot. It gives me joie de vivre.
It's pronounced joie de vivre. Joie de vivre. Do you even know what it means?
Of course, joy of living, joyfulness, joy de vivre.
Joie de vivre. This is l'English nut signing off with au revoir for now.
Au revoir.
Au revoir means bye until we meet again. Not soon, I hope.